How to enable the receive gift feature on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, go ahead and open TikTok application in your mobile device. And once you open the application, go ahead and log in to your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile section, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this little icon right over here. Then tap on TikTok Studio. If you don't see TikTok Studio, you can go ahead and tap on Creator Tools depending on what shows up for you. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below, then simply tap on the option that says Received Gift. So, to enable the Received Gift feature, you must at least have 10,000 followers, be 18 years or older, and have a good account standing, meaning no community guidelines violation. Simply, you have to agree to terms and conditions of TikTok's and privacy policy. Also, you have to live in a country where gifts are supported. So if you would like to receive gifts during live stream, you only need 1,000 followers, but to get gifts on regular videos, 10,000K is required. So once you're eligible, just tap on Receive Gift under Creator Tools and enable it. And that's it guys, you're now set to earn diamonds and receive support from your fans. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.